Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube Mobile. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now play any video. On the video screen, look for the autoplay toggle at the top or near the video player. Simply tap on the autoplay switch to turn it off. Once it's turned off, videos will no longer play automatically after the current one ends. Next, go back and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the Settings gear icon at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for Video and Audio Preferences. Now tap on Playback, and here you'll see the option Autoplay Next Video. Simply turn off the toggle next to it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.